Are you building a fortress of solitude with blankets and pillows every night? Does your partner's snoring make you feel like you're sleeping next to a buzzsaw? When the snoring hits a crescendo, do you ever wonder if there's a bear in bed with you? Are you on the brink of inventing a new sleep gadget just to get some peace and quiet? Well, you can stop auditioning for DIY masters in your bedroom now. It's time for a real solution with sleepthroughsnoring.com. Let's turn those relentless rumbles into blissful silence, the easy, non-engineering way. Visit sleepthroughsnoring.com and reclaim your sleep and your sanity. Say goodbye to makeshift sound barriers and hello to undisturbed slumber. Book your free strategy session now. Your ears will thank you.